you're supposed to be scared.
All right. Your enthusiasm is overwhelming.
You got a personal robbery. This here's a robbery. I take folding money, pocket change, jewelry, and gold teeth. Now for you gentlemen, that's gold teeth, not old teeth. I don't want nothing floats in a jar at night. Now, why don't you folks reach in your pockets, come up with your valuables. I will collect like the IRS.
Quick,
I'm going to McDonald's. I'll take that, mister. Give me that, young man. Okay. I'll take that, mister.
quick, Bubby, play your flute.
All right, I'm a two-bit robber.
Happy? Play my foot.
He's silly.
Hey, do you like my tie?
No.
Oh, sorry, I can't hear you.
Get that dime out of your ear before it falls in.
My money.
Uh-oh.
Hey, that's my hair braids. Give it.
But it looks so good in my beard. Oh! He had one in his ear and she's got one in her feet. What?
No swooning, girls.
Oh, no, you don't want us to.
She's just reading.
Oh, don't just do it.
Ew. You put those in your
What's
ears?
my kid?
How much more fell in?
I just want to go.
20.
I want to reach in there.
That's my toe you're standing on. Thank you very much. Can I stand on yours now? Yeah, right.
Take his shoes.
You want to borrow this, lady?
I knew you'd have something to that.
That was funny.
Recovery.